This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Krein. Beautiful 2-story with bonus room in the heart of Seymour. Owner suite, second bedroom/office, laundry, office, formal dining, kitchen, and large living room with cathedral ceiling on the main level. Upstairs has 2 more bedrooms and a bonus room. The house has lots of extra unfinished space that is now only used for storage. You could potentially make space into functioning rooms. Everything is ready, all you have to do is move in, and even the yard is fenced. The only thing left is meeting the neighbors. For more information, review the details below or contact Krein at 865-342-4200.